Yeah, like I said, it's your boy Lil B, God's Father mixtape. You already know how I do, man. I kill shit, rip the rap game up, motherfucking everything, man. We got rich in it, everything. I don't give a fuck em. Bitch, I own swag. I'm a star like I'm in sack. I'm so fab like I'm in sack. I told that tech and I hold that Mac. Got a few scratches up on that gun. I straight spit like I got no tongue. Bitch came asking me questions. Where's my car? Bitch, which one? No Lil B, then it ain't no fun. Everything cool till I brought that blunt. Ain't talking weed, bitch, I got that gun. Pour me a cup, bitch, let's get drunk. I'm Karl Malone, I just dunk. I'm so high. Over this weed, I be high, bitch. It's straight from the hood, shit. Evil bass God, drop my top and I don't get robbed. Never say never, but I never been robbed. Tryna jack me, go get a day job. Like Mac Dre, that's not my job, but that's my bitch, ooh shit. She told me things I wouldn't even say. Went on a date and I fucked her face. You know I'm more famous than you. And I can do everything that you can't do, or try to. Yeah, hasta la vista, I'm looking for a senorita. Mexican, Brazilian, Nicaraguan, that's what I meant. To bring two to the ranch and pass them. Put them all down, I don't pass them, I cuff them. Yes, bitch, I said I cuff them. Fucked her in her ass, that's where I net it. Pop the Viagra and I'm feeling like Mace. No homo, bitch, I'ma take that case. Real talk, bro, I'ma fuck her in the face. Been a pretty bitch, here all day. Sitting on my ass, make a meal all day. Call me Obama, base God. Call me Obama, base God. Hey, Rod, I'm overseas like Jason. Call me Daddy Yankee, fucking bad bitches. Yankee, bass God. You hating on me, that's not my problem. Living in a world where people talk shit. Suck a kid's ass and they hoe suck dick. I ain't got a problem with a hoe sucking dick, but she better be clean when she suck my shit. Niggas get mad cause I talk a little shit. I don't even care, that's so square. I'm a bad boy like that line night. Wear fucking suit like Chopper there. More money, more problems like Papa here. RP my young nigga, my Papa pill. Last year I almost made a meal. Run a rap game and I ain't got no deal. Bass God, it's a Lil B. Hey, that's what you should've done on this beat, motherfucker. Bitch, faggot. God's Father mixtape. Fatty, bitch. I'm going all the way in. I'm going all the way in. Lil